It is Skype Bonsai. Today we're taking a close-up look at the Sigma 56mm f1.4 DCDN lens for the EF-M system. Of course, this lens is designed for the APS-C cameras, but in the EF-M system, that's all we've got, so makes sense. The lens has 10 elements in 6 groups. The angle of view of the 56mm lens is actually different between the 3 different mounts. For the E mount, it's 28.5, for the EF-M mount, 26.9, and the Micro Four Thirds, 21.9. The aperture is rounded with 9 blades. It goes from f1.4 to f16. Minimum focus distance is 50 centimeters or 19.7 inches. The maximum magnification ratio is 1 to 7.4. The filter size is 55 millimeters. The lens by itself weighs 280 grams or 9.9 ounces. The lens comes with a hood and also the back and front caps. So far I'm really liking the lens. It has a nice weight to it, fits well with the EF-M cameras like the M5 and the M50. Take note that the lens itself is wider than the standard EF-M lenses, so you will have a little bit below the actual bottom of the cameras. The autofocus motor on this lens is extremely quiet. Let's test that out. Autofocus consistency so far in my use cases, I think it's not quite as good in video as some of the EF-M lenses just for consistency, but it is very nice. Haven't had any serious issues with it. The EF-M version of this lens does not have a gasket on the back where you would normally see that with the E-mount version or the Micro Four Thirds version. Build quality feels very high. You've got a mixture of metals and plastics. The focus ring has a rubber grip material on there. You can see the dust easily adheres to that rubber grip material. The bayonet mount is metal, looks very high quality, and the machining is very nice to it. That was a close-up look at the Sigma 56mm f1.4 DCDN lens for the EF-M system. Bonsai, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider subscribing. It helps me out a lot. Likes and shares help out a lot as well. Thanks again.